Okay, so we have already built this header section in our website. So today we are going to start building courses we offer, and I have included three courses and three columns, right? So it's BBA, BCA, and BCom. So I need to make this and provide properties to it. So first of all, I will come back to my um index.html page, and what I will do is I will add here one comment. I will pull this body tag downwards, and I will add here one comment after this, and after header section ends I will write here comment course section starts here. Course section starts here. Control KU comment के लिए I will comment it out, and I will again write here and here and here, and I will start coding in between these two. So you can get a clear idea, as I told you कि ये पूरा header section का कोड है, एंड आफ्टर दैट ये कोर्स सेक्शन का कोड है. सो वी विल कम टू नो, राइट, कि कौन सा सेक्शन में हमें कोडिंग करना है, या फॉर एग्जांपल हमें करेक्शन करना है, तो वी विल कम टू नो कि वेयर वी हैव टू मेक द करेक्शन, इजंट इट? So let's get start. Courses we offer section. So for that I will again use a section tag. I will use one section tag and pull it down, and I will provide class to it, as I here provide header class. Likewise I will provide here class equal to courses. Okay, equal to courses, and in that I will provide one h1 tag, and in h1 tag I will write courses we offer. Courses we offer. Courses we offer. And I will add one paragraph downwards below it, and I will write here we offer the three courses in our colleges. We offer. I will just copy and paste. Let's just copy and paste this out. Out here we offer the these three courses. Now let's see how it's looking in our web page. So I will open live server. I'll just check it out how it's look. So here you can see downwards it's visible courses we offer, but we want padding and all. So what we will do is first of all I will add here one row. I will add here one row, and after that I will start coding. I will add here row, and I will add row in division tag. So I will take div, and I will provide class to it, and I will provide class equal to row, and I will pull it down, and between this two division tag I will start coding for the column. So I will take another division tag, and I will provide class to it, class column. So I will give some professional names. So I will write course dash call. Okay, course dash call, and in that I will provide one header h2, heading 2 उससे small होगा. Okay, small दिखेगा. I will write BBA, and below that I will provide paragraph tag, and I will write something for like BBA. I will write something for BBA. Okay, so I will provide or else one thing I will do is we need to write full form of BBA. So I will take H3 downwards and I will write full form of BBA here. I will copy and paste it out, Control C, and I will paste it here. So now BBA and BBA's full form. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so here you can see it's visible. Now I will come back to my index.html and I will write some small paragraph. I will write small paragraph for BBA. So what is BBA and all, I will write it down. I will write here. I will again paste it from that what I have already made. I have pasted this from our college website, so you can paste it from there, right? I have pasted it from our college website. I have pasted this particular thing from our college website, not this. Okay, I have pasted this from our college website, so you can paste it from here. Whatever information you want to paste, you can paste it from here, like yes, I have pasted from here. So I will go back to my and I will paste that thing what I have written. So I have pasted another paragraph. I will call this div tag forward. Let's check it out how it looks. Okay, now I need to provide properties to it so it looks stylish. So I will come back for providing this property. I will come back to CSS file and I will write here. I will also provide comment here like courses and I will comment it out. Control KU. Okay, so this is good practice to comment out everything and provide information. So further, if anyone pick up your code and he wanted to see your codes and what properties you have provided to various elements, so he can directly get to it and he can see it, right? So that's why it's good practice to provide comments. Now what I will do is I will again paste the same thing. Courses starts here, and I will paste the same thing ends here, ends here. Now I will paste Control KU and I will code in between this to provide properties to our courses class course and rows and column. Okay, so get back to the style.css and here I will provide first properties to the course, this class, courses class. So I will copy this courses and will get back to my CSS courses colon open. Okay, and I will start writing code. I will provide width to it, that's 80%. I will provide 80% width to it. Here you can see width between these two is 80%, right? So I will provide 80% width. Now I will provide margin auto. Text alignment I will be providing center because I want this in center. I want this in center. Courses we offer in center, so I will provide it center. You can see, okay, it's in center, right? Whole thing is in center. Whole thing is in center. Now I will provide padding because it's like looking there is no gap in between, so I will provide padding, top padding. So I will write here padding top, and I will provide it as 100 pixel. Let's check out. Okay, here you can see it's looking pretty good. Now I need to code for this rows, right? So what I will do, I will call h1. First of all, I will code for this courses all, for this font and all. So I will call h1. So font size, I will increase it to 36 pixel, एंड फॉन्ट वेट इससे बोल्ड होगा. फॉन्ट वेट से क्या होता है, बोल्ड होता है. यू कैन सी अभी इट्स लुकिंग बिग, ओके, बट बोल्ड नहीं दिख रहा था. आई विल प्रोवाइड फॉन्ट वेट टू 600. लेट्स चेक आउट. ओके, सो यू कैन सी नाउ पैराग्राफ को कॉल करना है. आई विल कॉल कलर ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. आई नीड टू चेंज. ये जो पैराग्राफ है नीचे, ये इसका कलर मुझे चेंज करना है. सो आई विल use color which I have already been using, gray type color. I will use this color. I will again provide font size, that's 20 pixel, font weight 300. I will be providing it, and I will again provide padding to it. I want padding. I don't want top padding, I want only padding, so I will call for padding. I will be using 10 pixel padding. And line height, I will set a height of a line, and I will give it to 22 pixel. Let's check out how it's looking. Okay, here you can see color has been changed to gray, and even a padding is looking proper. Now I need to set properties for this BBA and call row and column. So what I will do is I will call, because we need to make uh, three columns, 1 2 3. Okay, so what I will do, I will start coding for row. I will call dot row. Let's check out. Okay, here we have already assigned the class row, and I will call that. And in row I will set margin to margin top, it's 5%. Justify, I will just justify the content. I want space in between, so it will look a little bit of perfect. And display property I will set to flex. Let's check out how it's looking. Okay, here you can see थोड़ा side आ गया है, side में आ गया है ये. Okay, now I will again start coding for my courses column. So I will copy this property. I don't want to make any mistake in spelling, so I will copy and paste it. So copy this, and I will paste this same thing in my style.css. I will provide dot, and I will copy this, and curly brackets open close. I will provide flex, and I will use basic flex basics, that is 31%. I will provide background color, I will provide to it, and I will be using background, not image, but use color, and I will use little bit of pink color. So guys, आपको अगर कलर, कोई भी वेबसाइट पे आपको कलर पसंद आ रहा है एंड यू डोंट नो विच कलर इट इज़, तो देर इज़ एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ गूगल कलर पिकर और कलर जिला. दिस ऑल आर कलर पिकर. तो आपको अगर कोई कलर आपको देखना है वेबसाइट पे, तो यू कैन just use that. Okay, color picker. So when I will click here, it will automatically paste the color which I am using. So here you can see. So here you can see it will provide you which color you are using and which you want to pick. Okay, so you can get the color whatever you want and you can just type it here. 5 3 5 3. Okay, so I have set background to it. Now border I want border radius. इससे क्या होगा border radius से कि थोड़ा कर्व दिखेगा 10 पिक्सल border radius से कर्व दिखता है थोड़ा. Margin I will be setting it as margin top. I will provide top margin. Let's check out first how it's looking. Okay, so here you can see it's not visible inside the code. I need to code it out. Okay, so I will set bottom margin. Okay, set margin bottom and I will give it as 5%. Padding I will be providing 20 pixel, 12 pixel. And box sizing will provide border box. Let's check out how it's looking. Okay, here you can see लेकिन ये अंदर नहीं दिख रहा, so I need to check out for the error, right? So first of all I will set the property for my paragraph. I will set property for my this paragraph. So I will provide this paragraph a class and I will provide this class and I will write here class equal to full. So for that, and here you can see I have made a mistake, right? I am not coding in between these rows, okay, between the columns. So I have made the mistake. I need to cut this and I need to call it down. Paste here. Let's check now how it's looking. Okay, now it's looking perfect, right? Now why I need to check the paragraph property, because you can see here it's not looking perfect, right? I need to provide space in between and all, so I will call paragraph property. Okay, so I have provided class to a paragraph that is full and I will start providing. I will call full class here, full full. So wherever in program I can use this class for any paragraph. So I have already called this class here. Okay, and I will just change the font weight of this class. And I will write font weight and I will write 200. Let's check how it is looking. Okay, so it's looking good, but because of these fonts it's looking like this. Okay, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा लग रहा है, स्पेस नहीं है, लेकिन it's good due to font. It's looking like this. You can change the font and see, check it out. Okay, okay, so now you can also set the font size here and you can write 30 pixel. Let's check out क्या होता है. Oh, it's looking big. Writing is 5 pixel. 20 pixel. Okay, it's good, ये चलेगा. Okay, now एक बॉक्स बन चुका है. हमें अब BCA का बनाना है और BCom का बनाना है, राइट? So here you can see BCA and BCom. So यहाँ पे font, यहाँ पे भी you can see it's little bit of space is there, but it's due to font. It's overlapping little bit due to font. So it's okay. Now मुझे BCA का बनाना है, तो what I will do is I will come back to my index and I will copy this whole row. Will copy this whole row. What I will copy? I will copy this division से लेके ये div तक. I will copy this. And I will paste it नीचे and let's check कैसा दिख रहा है. Okay, here you can see. Okay, and I will again paste another. Okay, लेकिन बीच में गैप नहीं है. ओके, गैप चाहिए मुझे, ये सबके बीच में गैप चाहिए. तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज I need to provide division tag. Let's check what happens if we use rows. Let's check. Okay, so ये 3 रो बन गया है. ओके, लेकिन ये ऐसा दिख रहा है, लेकिन I can't provide rows here. So what I will do is I want to place the same thing into same line. So after this division tag, let's check कैसा दिख रहा है. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Okay, so it's done, it's looking perfect. So what I have done is मैंने ये एक ही रो में तीनों कॉलम को ऐड कर दिया है. एक ही रो में मैंने तीनों कॉलम को ऐड कर दिया है. अब आप चेंजेस कर लेना. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज BCA एंड ऑल, तो आप यहाँ पे चेंजेस कर देना. मैं आपको कोडिंग वो दे रहा हूँ इमेज, तो आप यू कैन मेक इट BCA, BBA एंड BCom. यू कैन मेक द चेंजेस, राइट? ओके, सो यू कैन सी BCA, BBA, BCom. ओके, तो ये हो चुका है. बट ये हावर इफेक्ट दिखा रहा है. ये देखो, थोड़ा जब मैं कर्सर लेके जाता हूँ तो इट्स seems like there is a hover effect. So what I will do is I will provide hover effect to it. So for that, what I will do is I will call my h1. I will call my h1. I will try to set this out first, and I will call my h2. पहले तो I will call my h2, and I need to change this little bit of color and all. So what I will do is I will call my h2 and right here x align center कर दूंगा इसका मैं. Center, and font weight I will be changing it to, I will be changing to 600. Okay, let's keep it 600. And margin I will be keeping it as 10 pixel margin. I will set 10 pixel. Okay, let's check कैसा दिख रहा है. Okay, तो ये देखो. ओके, थोड़ा नीचे आ गया, ये मार्जिन सेट कर दिया है मैंने इसको. नाउ आई नीड टू प्रोवाइड हावर इफेक्ट, like here hover effect. Here you can see it's showing hover effect. So what I will do is I will call courses. I will call courses call, क्योंकि इसको मुझे हावर इफेक्ट देना है कॉलम को, एंड आई विल राइट हियर हावर, एंड आई विल राइट बॉक्स शैडो इफेक्ट मुझे देना है इसको, तो आई विल राइट बॉक्स शैडो, and I have already set this formula for that. You can use the same dimensions, pixel, RGB, and I will set the color कि जब उसमें हावर हो तो क्या कौन सा कलर चाहिए. Let's see change हुआ. Okay, here you can see. तो जब हावर इफेक्ट हो रहा है तो कलर चेंज हो रहा है, बॉक्स शैडो दिखा रहा है. ओके, बिकॉज आई हैव सेट द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बॉक्स शैडो. ओके, इसमें आप कलर वलर चेंज करके देख सकते हो. ओके, मैंने ब्लैक कलर सेट किया है इसका. सो जब यू कैन क्लिक हियर तो यू कैन सी ब्लैक कलर शैडो में. ओके, so it's working smoothly, right? Now I need to give it transition time मुझे सेट करना है उसका, and I will set it to 0.5 second. 0.5 second. Okay, let's check out now. Okay, now you can see इतना फटाफट नहीं हो रहा, थोड़ा टाइम ले रहा है, तो क्योंकि हमने ट्रांजिशन टाइम सेट कर दिया उसका 0.5 सेकेंड. Okay, that's it. So we have built another section, that is courses we offer. In another video we will start building our campus section. तो वैसे ही सेम टू सेम इसको ही बनाना है, खाली प्रॉपर्टीज ही चेंज करनी है हमें. यहाँ पे भी वी हैव टेकन कॉलम्स एंड रो. हियर ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज कॉलम्स एंड रोज. ओके, and we are going to use different hover effect, linear gradient and all. Okay, so you can just build this website and just send me pics like how much you have done, how much work you have done on this website. Just WhatsApp me. Okay, thank you.